bunnies, welcome back to another video. My name is Divine Oval and I'm here once a week, so make sure you check out my channel. But today we're going to be doing a tutorial, and for this tutorial we'll be using Cali art markers. Go check out my last video where I review the Cali art markers. As you can see, I'm using them in this video, so you can tell they're pretty good. But just going to be using these, and I'm also going to be using pencils, and these pencils are my favorite pencils. And fun fact, I actually got these off of Wish for very cheap. I'm not going to include that link in the description, but I will include the Cali Art 81 set of markers in the description. So if you want those, just go down in the description. And yeah, also what came with those pencils was a net eraser, and I love net erasers, so I'm just playing with this while I draw sometimes. But yeah, let's get started with the video. So that's it for this tutorial. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you like it. Love you. Bye-bye.